Hello friends and welcome back to another video. In the previous video, I told you how to read data from your data table or data file. In this video, I am going to show you how you can sort values in your data using Pandas. So for that, let's first go through our data. I will write here print df and run the code. You guys can see we get the data table, but if I want to access only 5 rows, first 5 rows, I will write here df.head and 5. So you guys can see we get the first 5 rows. Now if I want to access the columns, I will write here df.columns. And you guys can see here we get all the name of the columns. Now if I want to sort my values according to a specific column, I will write here df.sort values and in the empty parentheses the name of the column. In my case it is rank, so I will write here rank. After running the code, you guys can see here I got the data in which the rank is increasing from 1 to onwards. But if I want to change it to descending order, I will write here comma ascending equals to false and run the code again. You guys can see here I get the data in which the rank is decreasing from 16,600 to 1. Now let's sort the values for first 5 rows, and for that I will write here df.head5. Run the code and you guys can see here I got the data in which rank is decreasing from 5 to 1. But if I want to arrange it in ascending order, and let's change the name of the column to name, run the code and you guys can see here it is arranged in alphabetical order. If I write here 500 instead of 5, you guys can see the first name of the game will be starting from A. Now if I want to arrange the name according to descending order, I will write here false and I will change the value of head from 5 to 500. Let's run the code and you guys can see here that the first game here will be starting from Z. Now let's arrange the values according to global sales, and for that I will replace name with global sales and ascending will be true. If I run the code, I will get a game with the least global sales. Let's remove this .head function, and if I run the code now, I will get the least global sale game, which is Spirits and Spells. It is a game with the global sale of 0.01. Now if I want to get a game with highest global sales, I will simply change ascending to false and run the code, and here you guys can see at the top I get a game Wii Sports with a global sale of 82.74. So in this way we get the highest value. We can also sort values with respect to two columns, such as in here I am selecting two columns which is global sale and rank. But the way we assign the true or false is different. We will write here ascending equals in the square brackets 0 or 1. 0 means that it is false and 1 means it is true. So if I run the code, you will see that first column is arranged in ascending order and the second column is arranged in descending order. So in this way we sort our values in data table or data file. So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again in the next video.